Today I bought one Bambulab A1 nozzle from Robu.in. So package received today. Now I will unbox it. So I can see there is some filter inside it and there is a small packet. If I open the packet again, this is the nozzle and this is the thermocol padding. It is well packaged. This is the Bambulab Hotend. Although it is not uh, made by Bambulab, so it is a third party, because in normal Bambulab nozzle you can find it is written Bambulab 0.4 mm, but it is not written. This sock is also there, that silicone sock. But thing is that what I found, this color of the text in actual Bambulab sock it is orange, but here you can see it is yellow, so it is not exactly same. Other than that, if I open the sock, you can see the finishing of it. It is not as good as original stock Bambulab Hotend, so finishing is not that much great. And what I found, that the magnet, whatever it is there, it is not as strong as the original stock Bambulab. So that's it. And this one is, they told it is hardened steel. Maybe we will test it. Although I bought it, like in description it was telling it is Bambulab A1 mini Hotend, but I have Bambulab A1 in my home. So what I will do, I will try to fit this Bambulab mini Hotend to my Bambulab A1, and we'll see that if it is like can fit inside it. To open the Hotend, first I waited my Bambulab A1 to be cooled. Here you can see it is 47-degree temperature for Hotend. Now what I will do, I will remove this front cover to access the Hotend. So just press this side and try to open it. Yeah, front cover is opened. Now you can see this is the Hotend. To access the Hotend, first you have to remove the silicone sock. Just pull it and press it down, it will be opened automatically. It is a bit tougher, but carefully, if you try, you can do that. Then you have to open these two latch here like this. So latch is also opened and it is cooled down, so, and then you can take it out. So this is the original Bambulab Hotend, you can see. What I was telling, so here you can see, here it is written 0.4 and Bambulab, and as it is not the stock Bambulab, you can see only it is written 0.4 mm, but there is no Bambulab written on it. If you compare it side by side and size wise, it is exactly similar everywhere, like it is exactly all the dimensions, it is same, but you can see the difference between the quality of the finishing. So here it is like very good in finishing, but here the milling, you can see the stripes here for milling. Now let's try it here. First thing I can notice here, the magnet they use, it is not that much great. So attraction of the magnet, like while it is latching, magnet is not that much great. Although it is fitting properly, but magnet is weak here. So in stock Bambu Lab Hotend, magnet is really strong, but here magnet is not that much strong, but it can be fitted, and we can close the latch as well, like this. So you can see latch is closed. I'm not putting the sock and cover as well. What I will do, I will try to heat it up and I will try to load the filament here. So what I will do, I will go to filament and let me check the temperature. So it is telling 32 degrees centigrade. So previously it was more than 40, but as my new hot end is in cold position, so it is 32. I believe it is correct. And now let's say we will load our filament. So hit to load, but I am not putting the cover and sock for now. If everything goes well, maybe I will put it later. So yeah, now my hot end is being heat up to 250 degrees Celsius. I have one blue color PETG in my PTFE tube and I will load it. Let's wait for some time until it reaches 250 degrees Celsius. I can smell some like new element. I mean, there is some smell when you use some element for the first time, right? So I can smell that, and now it is telling me to push my filament further. So I am pushing it through PTFE tube until there is some obstacle, and it is telling me if it is done I can press it to finished continue. So they have done, I did that, and it will extrude. I have to make sure that filament is extruded. I'll try once more time. And as it is for the first time, I am not getting any filament out, but let's say if I wire with the filament is extruded, let's see if it can extrude through the nozzle. Yeah, filament is coming out through the nozzle, so it is being heat up at least. That is a good sign. Now what I will do, I have a print setup. I will try to print that. So my loading is complete. What I will do for testing, I will give one test print, and for that I have some AMS filament cap. So maybe my hot end is new. For that I will go ahead with the bed leveling first, because maybe there is some dimensional accuracy with the new hot end and old hot end. So better I will go ahead with the bed leveling once more, and then I will start my print. Now bed leveling is started with the new hot end. So it's performing exactly the same way as like stock hot end. I can't see any difference. now it is waiting the nozzle to heat up to desired temperature. For my case it is 235 degrees Celsius for PETG. One thing, this Hotend actually I bought myself. Robu or anyone doesn't sponsor or doesn't give money to make this video, so I bought this Hotend by myself. So now print is being started. This is one small cap. Now let's see how the print quality is. I can see first layer is going on and it is kind of similar, just like normal stock Bambu Lab Hotend. So I can't see any difference other than the label. Only thing is that the finishing quality, or I mean feel of the material is not as good as stock Bambu Lab Hotend. Other than that, functionality wise it is working as same. So still now there is no difference I can see. My printing is almost done here. Then I will compare these parts with the parts which I just printed with the original stock Bambu Lab Hotend. This one I bought just because of spare, so if anything bad happens like clogging or anything, so that I can continue my work, that's why I bought it. But actually I use original stock Bambu Lab Hotend as my day-to-day purpose. And when it will cool down, I will put on the sock, and then yeah, printing is complete. And then you can see this is the part which I print using stock Bambu Lab, and this is the part I just printed. Quality wise I think both of them are same. Just let me remove the tree here, the support tree. Yeah, I can see quality wise they are identical. I can't see any difference here. So there are two conclusions I can draw. Number one, that for functional purpose, or like as a function, I mean it is serving the purpose, although quality of the fit and finish is not as good as stock Bambu Lab, but other than that it is fine. So for your spare Hotend you can definitely use it. Like if anything bad happens with your original Hotend, like it clogged or anything like that, so definitely you can use this Hotend as your spare. Number two, although in website it was written that this Hotend is for Bambulab A1 mini, but it is working in my Bambulab A1 as well. You can see this is my Bambulab A1 and it is perfectly, I mean it is working perfectly fine. So yeah, you can buy it for your Bambulab A1 as well. I think for any Hotend that works on Bambulab A1, it can be used in Bambulab A1 mini as well, and vice versa. That is the second conclusion I can draw. That's all in this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.